Good morning, sir.
Very happy morning, Banu. Where did you go?
I went to learning center to buy books.
Okay, and what happened there? Did you buy?
Yes, sir. I buy.
I bought.
I bought.
Okay, tell me the process.
First, I parked my bike.
Okay.
Shopkeepers were calling to me, come to my shop, come to my shop.
Okay.
I went to one shop.
Okay.
Shopkeeper shopkeeper asked me which type of book do you want.
Okay.
I replied, I want IBPS book office assistant. He told
He told me.
sorry ma'am, that book available here. You go to shop number 18.
Okay. Did you go there?
Yes, sir. I go.
I went.
I went.
Okay. Next.
I went to that shop. Shopkeeper asked me which type of book do you want.
Okay.
Then I asked IBPS book office assistant. He showed me four types of books.
Yeah, and I selected.
I selected one book.
Okay.
How much
This book cost?
how much this book cost?
Yeah.
He replied me, this book cost 175 rupees, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, this book gave me.
Please give me.
This book please give me.
Okay.
Then I pay money.
I paid.
I paid money. Then gave to
me. He's no. We too.
he gave me book and change.
Okay.
Then I left the shop.
And
I returned to my home.
Okay, nice. You spoke very well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.